Hi everyone, welcome back. Remy here. Today's recipe is air fryer potato hash browns or potato latke. I'm making this in my new air fryer and this is a rack style. So please watch the video till end so you do not miss any step and tips shared here. I'm going to use russet potato here for this recipe. It's better to use russet potato than any other variety because this will make the hash browns nicely crisp on the top layer. So I'm going to take one potato here and half white onion, using a mandolin to grate it. After peeling the potato, I have washed it thoroughly. So here I have transferred the grated potato and onion in a bowl. I'm not going to wash this potato. Normally what we do is that we wash the potato, then squeeze out all the water from the potato and then pat dry it. But here we don't have to do that. We do that process because we want this potato fries or chips not to stick to each other. So removing the starch helps the potato to be fried separately. But here we are making the hash browns and we want everything to be nicely combined, so we want the starch here, and instead of using a cornstarch or flour, I'm using bread powder here. It is Italian flavor bread crumbs, and I've added 1 egg, salt per taste, and coarsely crushed black pepper. Now mix everything well and place this on the wire rack. So if you put directly on the wire rack, you need not flip it. Just set the time and temperature and it's ready to be cooked, and you do not have to flip it in the middle. So when you put a parchment paper or put it on any tray, then yes, you have to stop the air fryer in the middle and then flip each hash browns. So in this process, I'm going to set the air fryer at 370 Fahrenheit 15 minutes, and that's it. We do not flip the food in between because it will be cooked evenly. Both the sides of the hash browns will be cooked nicely. So here you can see. So by doing this, it will make the top layer or the outside of the hash brown crispy. It will be nice brown golden color and soft and tasty inside. Once the air fryer is turned off, let the hash brown sit inside for at least 5 to 10 minutes or until it's cooled down. Once it's cool, it will be easy to take each hash browns out. If it's warm, it won't be able to come out. It will stick to the rack. So let it cool down. Look at this. It's nicely golden crisp on the top and very soft and tasty. Very tasty hash browns. Simple and easy recipe, isn't it? I would love to know what ingredients you put in your hash brown recipe so I can, share it with my audience, and we'll try that in air fryer. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's going to be really simple and easy, yet it tastes delicious. Look at it, how gorgeous golden crisp hash brown is ready. See you again in my new video. Till then, bye bye and take care.